Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Velar 2.0 D180 R-Dynamic S Auto 4WD, a premium SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with refined luxury. At the side, this SUV sits on 20-inch alloy wheels, while the roof rails and coupe-like silhouette enhance its dynamic presence. Electric folding mirrors add convenience and practicality. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and electric-powered tailgate offer modern styling and everyday usability. Powered by a 2.0-liter D180 diesel engine, delivers a perfect balance of efficiency and performance. With all-wheel drive, lane assist, and cruise control, the Velar ensures a confident and composed driving experience. Finished in gray with a black leather interior, it offers both elegance and all-terrain capability. At the front, the black exterior pack, signature Range Rover grille, and sleek LED headlights give the Velar a bold and futuristic look. Stepping inside, experience premium comfort with 10-way electric front seats with driver memory, a Meridian 380W sound system, and an advanced infotainment system featuring Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, navigation, and DAB radio. Heated front seats and a heated windscreen add all-weather convenience. Passengers enjoy ample space and high-quality materials, ensuring a comfortable and luxurious ride. The electric-powered tailgate provides easy access to a spacious and versatile cargo area, ideal for everyday practicality. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration YT68JLU to book a test drive or request a video tour.